Back then, during the time of Moses, people couldn't just casually enter God's presence. Yes, God spoke to people, but entering His holy presence required a process. Now wait, baka sabihin mo, 'di ba parang ang hirap naman nun? Bakit kailangan pa ng proseso para makausap mo lang ang Diyos? Para lang makalapit sa Kanya? Because of sin. Dahil sa kasalanan. God is holy. He is so pure. He is perfect. And humanity became corrupted by sin. The moment sin entered humanity, the moment na pumasok ang kasalanan sa katawan ng tao, namatay na po tayo. Ritual death entered too. That's why Adam and Eve were cast out of Eden. Not because God stopped loving humanity, but because sin created separation between man and God. Hindi pwede magsama ang sin, ang karumihan, ang kasalanan, at ang purity or pure presence of God. Kaya kailangan na paalisin si Adam and Eve sa Eden. Now, maybe you'll ask, how about Noah, Abraham, and Moses? Kakausap naman nila si God nung di naman dumadaan or di naman kailangan dumaan sa proseso. Yes, because God Himself, in His mercy, still revealed Himself to people. Siya mismo ang bumibisita sa kanila at kumakausap sa kanila. But during the time of Moses, God established something deeper. The law, the tabernacle, the priesthood, and the sacrifices. Why? Kung natatanong mo, bakit kailangan yon i-establish ng Panginoon? There is a lot of reasons, and I'm going to share them with you one by one sa ibang susunod kong video. Pero ito ang ilan. To show humanity how serious sin is. And to reveal that sinful man cannot casually stand before a holy God. So before entering His presence, first, a sacrifice is needed. An animal without blemish. Its blood will be offered for the sin of the people, because without the shedding of blood, there is no forgiveness of sin. Then the priests had to cleanse themselves, wash themselves, wear sacred garment, purify themselves before entering, because no unclean thing could stand before God. Then they would enter the tabernacle step by step. Past the court and beyond the veil was the most holy place, the presence of God. And not everyone could enter there. Only the highest priest, and only once a year. And if done wrongly, death could happen. Pag nagkamali sila at hindi nasunod ng tama yung proseso, pwede silang mamatay. Instantly. That's how serious sin was. That's how holy God is. Then, Jesus came and He became the ultimate sacrifice. The perfect sacrifice. The perfect lamb. He died on the cross. The veil tore in half. The barrier between God and man was finally removed. Now, through Christ, sabi niya, I am the only way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Through Christ, through His sacrifice, dahil sa kanyang sakripisyo sa cross, because of His suffering, we can now boldly come to God. Now boldly come before God. Not because we became worthy, but because Jesus made a way. And now, You don't need animal sacrifices anymore. You don't need to stand far away in fear. God gave us His Holy Spirit. Now the invitation is, come close, come to me, come home. So no, Jesus isn't saying, follow me because I need followers. He is saying, follow me because without me, you are lost. If there were another way to save the humanity sa bigat ng kasalanan, ng sin, the cross would have never happened. Hindi sana kailangan mamatay ni Jesus. Hindi niya kailangan i-sacrifice ang sarili niya para sa atin. But Jesus died because He truly is the only way, the only truth, and the only life.